Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. So let's have a look at Egglestonworks and the speakers that they make. They make speakers that look a bit like this. I like the fact that it's big and it's deep, and I think they've got some backfiring stuff down here or behind or whatever. It can sound okay. It can impress. Big, powerful. Some models are pretty. Yeah, don't really have much to say about that. I mean, the speakers that I heard from them just sounded disappointing. I just felt that it was supposed to sound a lot better considering the price, how they look. And I told one of my friends to sell them and just get this do-it-yourself DTQWT from Trolls Grausen. And it cost a fraction of the price. And it ended up sounding 2 times better. So I don't know, I'm just kind of not feeling it. A bit empty, bit of nothing. It just feels like, I don't know, something inside of it is just not quite working as it's supposed to. I feel that musicality, like I always say, that like glue, that thing that keeps you in a trance, that makes you want more, it's just not quite there. Elements of good stuff, without a doubt. It definitely did not sound good on Macintosh equipment. I don't know if that's a Macintosh thing, that it doesn't work with Egglestonworks. I could be wrong. Just don't really feel anything for this type of sound. It's a bit like the design is like, what the fuck, what is this? But in the same way, kind of cool and neat and impressive. And yeah, the one that my friend had, it looked a lot better than this. So we were kind of surprised that a speaker that cost as much as the car could be replaced with an even better speaker that costs as much as, half a month's rent. It's like baffling, but I also heard it somewhere else, I think at a show. Nothing, just like normal speaker, big sound speaker, 20k, 30, 40k thing, just kind of not feeling it. It's a bit like Vienna speakers. I actually think that that's an insult towards Vienna, because I think that Vienna, the music, did some things that just generally were better, even though it wasn't really very good, that speaker model. But I'm just not kind of feeling it with this brand. I think it's maybe me. I think it's like a temperament kind of thing, that people that like D'Agostino gear and Wilson audio and Macintosh and MIT cables, that there's like this personality that you either like or you really don't. So, and I'm one of those that just doesn't like it. So yeah, just not kind of feeling it. So sorry guys, that's my review of Egglestonworks, the speakers that I heard from them. And yeah, overall not impressed, but I definitely hear that there's something there to work with. So wouldn't say hopeless, but yeah, tough ride uphill. This is me logging out. Bye.